Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? And good morning, it's 6:24 a.m. I'm making breakfast. I'm doing this month's cast iron cooking challenge is pork, and I'm making bacon, but I'm not using a cast iron pan. But I am doing real maple syrup. This is 30 Acres Sugar Shack. I just got this in the mail yesterday. This is the real stuff, not the fake, junk they have now with the corn syrup and all the other crap. So this will probably be a quick video. Let me show you what I got going. Alright, so I'm warming my syrup. I'm a warm syrup guy because you get more out of it and it stretches further. This is one of those little stainless steel espresso cups you can get at most kitchen stores. Frying my bacon. Pretty standard. Heating up the pan for my pancakes. I was going to do waffles and I forgot. I'll do waffles next time, I guess. I don't need it boiling, just need it hot. Alright, I've got number 3 cooking. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I saw this on Adventure Road's channel. It's still early, I don't remember if I said it or not, but I'll link their description. I also will put the phone number for 30 Acres Sugar Shack in the description. Also their Facebook page, if you're on Facebook, you can go check their page out. They got photos. I just sent them a message. That's kind of an interesting process because to get the shipping address, they had to actually go to the post office and get the shipping address, and they got back to me like the next day telling me how much it was. And the syrup itself is actually pretty inexpensive. They only charged me $8 for I think it was a quart or a pint. No, I'll put on the screen how much I bought, which is only $8, which is really nice. But the shipping was $15.50. It's like yikes. So yeah, we'll make a habit of buying it just because of the shipping and also the extra sugar. But sometimes I just gotta splurge a little. Alright. I was only planning on making 2, but I made a little bit too much batter. And this is something I do. I'm sure people will disagree, but I put peanut butter on my pancakes. I've been doing it since I was a little kid. Let's try that syrup. See, when you warm it up, you get a lot, it goes a little bit further. Alrighty, here we go. Oh man, there's nothing like the real stuff, man, I'll tell you what. Alright, first we have some bacon. People know me, know how much I love bacon. Well, I'm going to eat my breakfast.